everyone, welcome to your online class, and this is your general knowledge subject. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying your online classes also. So today in this video I'll cover two topics from your book. First one is brain wheels and another one is eco warriors. So let's start with our first topic, that is brain wheels. Read the question first. Read these words inside each of the wheels. One word in each circle is linked to the word in the center in some way. Find out the link and write in the blanks. So as you can see here that 5 fields are given here, and you have to find the link to the word in the center in some way. Okay. First word is crawl and other words are restore, bird, overhaul, chapati, rido, butter, butterball and bread. So in this wheel the link is of rhyming word. So the answer is butterball and overhaul. Okay. Next one is educate and the other words are ignore, destroy, neglect, enlighten, study, teach, learn and decrease. And the link is of synonyms. So the answer is teach and enlighten. Okay. Now third word is migrate and the other words are stay, drift, roam, shift, leave, translate, imitate and remain. And the link is of antonyms. So the answer is remain and stay. Okay. Now look at the fourth wheel. The word is little and the other words are adequate, fat, tall, least, substantial, brittle, less and belittle. And the link is of comparative and superlative degrees of the word little. So the answer is less and least. Now see the last one, and the word is allergy and the other words are adequate, fat, tall, least, largely, gallery, less and belittle. And the link is of anagrams. So the answer is gallery and largely. Means both the words gallery and largely are formed by rearranging the letters of allergy. Okay. So here we have done our first topic, that is brain wheels. Now let's move towards our second topic, that is eco warriors. Read the question first. Read the clues to identify environmental organizations and movements which work to protect the environment. Here clues are given. So let's start. First one is present in more than 55 countries. This organization has been raising awareness about climate change, destruction of rainforests, benefits of sustainable agriculture and prevention of environmental degradation since 1971. The organization was initially founded with an aim to oppose US nuclear testing in Amchitka Island in Alaska. And the answer is Greenpeace. The Greenpeace movement was started in the year 1971 in British Columbia. Its goal is to ensure the ability of Earth to nurture life in all its diversity. Greenpeace stands for positive change through action to defend the natural world and promote peace. Now look at the second one. This international body is a network of green parties and political movements. With its presence in more than 90 countries, its members believe in the principles of green politics, which include social justice, environmentalism and non-violence. And the answer is Global Greens. The Global Greens is the partnership of the world's green parties and political movements working cooperatively to implement the Global Green Charter. This unique and inspiring document sets out core values of ecological wisdom, social justice, participatory democracy, non-violence, sustainability and respect for diversity. Basically, its aim is to make 21st century a green century. This means fundamentally reforming the dominant economic model, tackling climate change, ending the hunger crisis, promoting vibrant democracy, working for peace, protecting biodiversity, and many more. Now, see the third one. This is the world's largest conservation organization and has been committed to conservation of the environment with over 5 million supporters worldwide. It aims to protect the Earth's natural environment and to support a harmonious living between humans and nature. And the answer is Worldwide Fund for Nature. It is an international non-governmental organization founded in 1961 that works in the field of wilderness preservation and the reduction of human impact on the environment. It was formerly named the World Wildlife Fund, which remains its official name in Canada and the United States. Now see the last one. Established in 2001, this global organization is the largest international body that works towards the protection and restoration of the world's oceans and marine ecosystems. And the answer is Oceana. It's a 501 non-profit ocean conservation organization focused on influencing specific policy decisions on the national level to preserve and restore the world's ocean. Clear? Now look at the question number B. Match the environment movements in India to their leaders. So as you can see that two columns are here. First one is of environment movements and leaders' name. You have to match them. Okay. First one is Narmada Bachao Andolan. It is an Indian social movement spearheaded by native tribals, farmers, environmentalists and human rights activists against a number of large dam projects across river Narmada, which flows through the states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. This movement was initiated by Medha Patkar. Option number C. Okay, so we have to match Narmada Bachao Andolan with Medha Patkar. So this movement was initiated by Medha Patkar along with other colleagues. She is a graduate in social work who moved to live among the tribals of the Narmada Valley in the mid-1980s and alerted them to the fate that awaited them with the dams. Okay, now second one is Chipko movement. It was a non-violent agitation in 1973 that was aimed at protection and conservation of trees, but perhaps it is best remembered for the collective mobilization of women for the cause of preserving forests, which also brought about a change in attitude regarding their own status in society. This movement gained traction under Sundarlal Bahuguna. The option, which option? Last, option number D, Sundarlal Bahuguna. So you have to match Chipko movement with Sundarlal Bahuguna. This movement gained traction under Sundarlal Bahuguna, an eco-activist who spent his life in educating the villagers to protest against the destruction of the forest and Himalayan mountains. Clear? Now third one, Save Silent Valley movement. It was a social movement aimed at the protection of Silent Valley, an evergreen tropical forest in the Palakkad district of Kerala in India. The valley was declared as Silent Valley National Park in 1985. The poet activist Sugatha Kumari played an important role in the Silent Valley protest, and her poem Marathinu Stuthi became a symbol for the protest from the intellectual community and was the opening song or prayer of most of the Save the Silent Valley campaign meeting. Okay, so you have to match Save Silent Valley movement with Sugatha Kumari, okay, with the option A. Clear? Now the last one, Epico movement. During the 1980s, Panduranga Hedge led people to protect trees in forest by embracing the trees or Epico when the contractors tried to fell trees. The objective of this movement was in threefold. First one is to protect the existing forest cover. Second one, to regenerate trees in demanded lands, and last but not the least, to utilize forest wealth with due consideration to conservation. Okay, so here we have done our second topic also. Hope you have understood both the topics, brain wheels and eco warriors. Thank you for today. Now I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe and stay healthy.